I am Trista, one of the account managers here at Home Access. What to expect as a national ramp dealer. Number 1. Dealer programs to grow profit, such as dealer discounts, bulk discounts, and freight programs within the United States. Number 2. Awesome customer service and dedicated account managers who are focused on helping you grow your business. Number 3. The Liberty Ramp Series is the most straightforward install in the industry. Number 4. Dealer support tools to help your team be in the driver's seat. Number 5. Our prompt shipping means you get your order faster. How we provide an awesome customer experience every time. National Ramp is with you every step of the way, from phone call to install support. After years of listening to our dealers, we know the challenges that you can face and are here to help you with effective solutions. National Ramp is here to make ramping the best part of your business. Need to know more about ramping? Call the National Ramp Solution Center. We are here Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. 877-884-RAMP.